I think sustainability is one of the greatest challenges facing us as a society, and how health professionals play their part in that debate and how they ensure our globe is more sustainable for the future is a key part of their role.
Coming into work and having cycled gets you buzzing and gets you ready for the day. And we have a meeting down in Taunton, and often a group of us will cycle down and cycle back, so that's about 50 miles each way. So I think that probably saves a certain amount of CO2, I can imagine.
When we're working with a large group of trainees who are spread over a large geographical area, is to actually arrange events for them in their local area and connect them through the internet.
As a TPD for GP trainees, one of the exciting ways you can incorporate sustainability into their teaching sessions is to get the trainees to think about sustainability for each different topic that you're covering.
We have one day on sustainability as part of the Professional and Generic Skills course. That's a programme of non-clinical skills training for our trainees, which is specifically focused on sustainability in medical and clinical care.
I'm part of the Green Team, and along with the normal initiatives such as recycling, we also got involved in a couple of other initiatives, namely generating a newsletter. We also completed a staff survey, which was basically to assess people's attitudes towards sustainability and to look at how engaged people are with the topic and whether there were any areas we could develop there.
So as public health registrars, obviously we're really interested in the wider determinants of health, and sustainability being a really key issue with that. So we decided to form a working group and develop a policy to really embed sustainability issues within everything that the training programme does.
Severn is really good at technology in terms of sustainable development. The printers here are swipe only, which saves a lot of paper.
I've run national meetings using audio and video conferencing because it saves carbon emissions, it takes less time, it's therefore efficient. People have been enthusiastic about doing this, they've said that it's worked well.
We also use a number of online software tools that enable collaborative working and learning across the region.
And another method that we use is also to collate lots of resources.
We worked closely to establish their main priorities that meant sustainability for them, and that was increasing awareness, a reduction of carbon and a reduction of finances, so the cost of running their properties. And we successfully delivered something that they could implement quite easily. And the outcome is, we estimate they can reduce their carbon footprint by about 5% for a very small capital outlay. And that's something that we're very proud of, that we can work with a very forward-thinking organisation.
So I am the Severn Deanery Sustainability Scholar for 2014. This gives me 20 days in order to perform a project. So far in my 20 days I have done a lot of research and also becoming involved on the subcommittee of the Bristol Green Capital. Along with myself there are also 2 foundation doctors who are also sustainability scholars.